MSME seller ka ba? Or employee ka ng big company? What if may loan ka sa TikTok o salary advance sa trabaho mo at may 1.5% to 2.5% interest kada buwan? Legit ba to or isa tong debt trap? Jay will break down two fast-growing programs, GoTime Bank's TikTok Shop loans, and Tonic's employee platform Tendo, to help you decide if these tools are really helpful gateways to capital or just a fast route to more kautangan. For MSMEs selling on TikTok Shop, this can be a very quick capital. And for employees like those in Concentrix, salary advances by Tendo may even help bridge the gap before our actual payday. So paano ba siya nag-work? For GoTime and TikTok loans, they pre-qualify MSME sellers using your sales data, no traditional credit checks, and they disburse within the day. Interest is 1.5% to 2.5% per month, and this can last for 3 to 12 months. And the terms vary by business performance and sales volume. For Tendo by Tonic, this is the salary advance. It's offered to over 100,000 Concentrix employees. Tendo actually deducts repayment straight from the payroll. And this tool also includes automated savings and budget coaching as part of its financial wellness platform. Pwede na, di ba? And it's also backed by AI underwriting models. Not bad, high-tech. So, the benefits for all of these are, number one is that instant access to cash without the collateral. Hindi mahaba yung bank application nito kasi quick po yung kanyang approvals. The payroll-deducted repayments reduce oversight burden kasi hindi mo na kailangan i-check, automatic na babawas po siya. And the financial coaching and savings features promote better financial habits.
Huy, ikaw! Seryoso ka na ba sa pera mo? Hanggang scroll ka lang ng paulit-ulit sa mga finance tips. Lahat ng video pinanood mo na. MP2, insurance, budgeting, investing, alam mo na lahat eh. Pero ang tanong, ginagawa mo na ba siya? Kaya ako ginawa ang Tamad Investor Challenge. Para sa'yo na gustong talagang magsimula, hindi complicated, hindi pressure, daily bite-sized steps for 30 days para magka-action ka na, hindi lang puro information. Kung seryoso ka na, stop watching. Start doing. Huwag mo nang hintayin yung next sweldo, next na taon, yung next life. Your future self will thank you for starting today. No fluff, just action. Tara, let's simplify finance for everyone.
Pero syempre meron po yung mga risks at saka mga things you need to look out for. At 2% monthly interest, that's 24% per year. Much higher than standard bank loans. MSMEs must watch timelines. Kasi there might be mistakes or slow sales and this will trap you in recurring debt. Employees must monitor repayments. It's easy to borrow advances after advances, tapos magsaspiral na yan na patuloy ka lang magbabayad at hindi mo matapos ang kautangan mo. Kaya always ask, are multilingual fees included? Any hidden charges kapag early ka mag-settle? Some cases you can early settle these loans para hindi na mag-increase yung interest. Pero there are instances na bawal po siyang gawin. Responsible Salapips usage tips. Only borrow if there's a clear repayment path from sales or budget. Avoid using multiple buy now, pay later or salary advance platforms simultaneously. Sasakit lang yung ulo mo. Set aside an emergency fund. Even if 1,000 or 2,000 pesos, makakatulong na po yun. And make sure you write down your total repayment cost para alam mo magkano yung magiging future cash out mo. Kaya if I borrow 10,000 pesos at 2% for 6 months, ang magiging total payment ko ay 11,270. Malaki rin yun. Sayang yung kinita nung pera. So, here's a checklist for people watching this video. Do you have a predictable income? Alam mo bang regular na may darating po na pera sa iyong bank account? Can you afford the monthly repayment comfortably? Kasi kung mahihirapan ka lang bayaran, magpa-pile up lang paulit-ulit yung mga kautangan mo. Are you tracking progress so you don't refinance unnecessarily. Alamin niyo po, tingnan ninyo, saan ba napupunta yung babayaran mo? Because when used wisely, these tools can be very convenient. Just don't let them replace proper budgeting or savings habits. If gusto mo pa ng simplified tips like this, subscribe now para hindi ka mahuli sa financial trends. May experience ka ba in using GoTimes Buy Now Pay Later or Tendo sa trabaho mo? Share mo sa comments at baka gumawa ako ng part 2 based sa mga tanong ninyo.